Hello and welcome to the Savera. This is Dinkle before you with breaking news coming from the national capital, where Sanjay Singh today held a press conference and alleged that Arvind Kejriwal, Delhi Chief Minister, is being tortured in Tihar jail, and the BJP government is doing it in the behest of the Prime Minister of India, that is Narendra Modi. He alleged that his wife Sunita Kejriwal was not allowed to meet him in person, which is allowed to even dreaded criminals. Here is what he said. Aam Aadmi Party leader Sanjay Singh hit out at Prime Minister Narendra Modi-led Bharatiya Janata Party on Saturday, alleging that Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal is being tortured inside the Tihar jail at the behest of central government. The AAP leader also paid that the jail administration carried out inhuman behavior towards Kejriwal's wife Sunita to not let him meet in person. Speaking at press conference in the national capital, Sanjay Singh said, elected thrice with an overwhelming majority, the Chief Minister of 2 crore people in Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, is being tortured at the behest of Government of India, at the behest of Prime Minister of the country. Efforts are being made to break his morale, and every now and then an attempt is being made to destroy even the minimum rights and facilities available to anyone and all. This is being done openly, he said. Adding further, Sanjay Singh said, the information I want to give you today may have come for the first time in the history of Tihar jail. It is an obvious matter. The officials in any administration are pawns who work under instructions of higher-ups. Now, let me tell you that about meeting the permit for Arvind Kejriwal at Tihar. According to the jail manual, the rules of jail under 602 and 605, anyone can have face-to-face meeting in the jail, he said. However, when Arvind Kejriwal's wife, whom everybody knows, is at present time worried and tensed, and while his parents, both of whom are ill, came to meet him at the jail, she was told that she could not meet him face-to-face or in a room, but rather through a window. He further questioned and said, why was such inhuman behavior meted out towards him? This is inhuman act has been done just to humiliate and discourage Arvind Kejriwal. I am saying this with full responsibility that even the dreaded criminals are allowed to meet in the barrack. But a 3-time CM of Delhi is allowed to meet his wife through a window with a glass in between? He questioned during the press conference. Arvind Kejriwal is currently in Tihar jail under judicial custody. He was arrested by the Enforcement Directorate last month in connection with Delhi excise policy. Sanjay Singh, who was in jail in connection with Delhi excise policy since October last year, got out on bail earlier this month. Earlier this week, he claimed Tihar authorities threatened to block his family's visits after passing a message to AAP MLAs through his lawyers. The BJP has demanded Arvind Kejriwal's resignation as Delhi Chief Minister on moral grounds. The Aam Aadmi Party says that he will continue to work for Delhi from inside the jail because he has not been convicted in any case as of now. Well, that's all for now. For more updates, stay tuned to the Savera.